I'm Grant.
I'm Lily.
And welcome to Vietnam. Thank you. So we just got a grab car in from the airport. This is where we're staying. The Luna Thahn. So we finally checked in. It's about midnight. There's a little bar across the road on the corner there, a little dark little bar. We might hit that tomorrow night. And yeah, we're here. Good morning, darling. How was your beautiful motel room last night? We're going to do a review, so we'll put a really trivial. Actually, the room appearance was pretty good, the bed, everything, blah, except, tell us about the bed, Saigon, the pillows.
Oh, the pillows so thick and hard.
The pillows are like rocks, the mattress is like, and here's our window view. There's the window. Check it out, it's a nice roof. Bloody beauty roof. Look at that. Looks a bit foggy this morning. Maybe rainy, I don't know. Wake up, darling. I'm just sort of having a wander to see what's going on. It's only about 6 o'clock in the morning, so everything should be open in the next hour or two. We'll have a good look. I don't know whether we should walk this way, Yelly. We probably should go to the market. Yeah, that way. Huh? Alright, we don't even know where you are, sort of lost, so we're just going to go walkies, see what we can find. Very early, it's just opening up everything. So this is all the food section. Look over here, you've got seafood made up already. Prawns. I'm not sure what anything is. We're going to have a look. Ooh, some nice looking prawns there. Ginger. Yeah, all the dried prawns, nuts, a bit of coochie. Anyway, so we're just having a quick look. Everything's just setting up. It's really early in the morning. We're going to come back later when it's busy and when everything's open and have a good look around. Alright, so we ordered one tea and one coffee, but she brought us over a free little tea. It's just a black sweet tea. So this is the coffee. It's really weird. It's in a little pot, and it's like an espresso shot of coffee, I suppose. It smells very sweet, and it's just sitting in boiling water. I don't know what for, maybe to keep it hot. And the same with the tea. She's got a tea with milk, and it's in a little boiling pot of hot water. Very strange. Anyway, try it out, see what's going on. Okay, so we're going to try our fancy little coffee out. It must be strong because it's very small. Wow, it's really strong. Yeah, it's like a little espresso or something. Just a big shot of coffee.
Coffee Vietnam Petticoats. Coffee Vietnam Petticoats.
My new friend next door. What's your name?
My name
Name's Thahn. And he's telling me Vietnam coffee is very good. And it does taste nice. I like it. It's got a little bit of condensed milk in it. It's very sort of strong but sweet. Alright, Vietnamese coffee. What's your tea like?
Vietnamese, I don't know.
Haven't tried it? Sweet?
Sort of like Thai tea.
Like Thai tea? Yeah.
Yeah, they have like strong tea and then condensed milk blended. Really like it.
Alright. So this coffee is really, really strong. I can feel it already. So I'm going to wash it down with my little tea. And yeah, my first impression of Vietnamese coffee is, yeah, it's pretty good actually. It's sweet. It's definitely, I don't know what it's called, but it's sort of like a little espresso. Vietnamese. So we're just about to leave and they just keep topping up your teas. The jasmine tea, it's jasmine tea. And yeah, we're just about to pay and leave. And now we're here for another half an hour. Alright. Alright, we're back. And everything's open now. Hello. What is it? So hello?
Hello, what do you want?
Wow, we're only here an hour ago and everything was closed. It's full on open now. Oh, he's already dropping. I haven't even started bargaining. Look at that. Sorry, you probably get one for 80, but I'll give him a good price.
You are a YouTuber?
Yep.
YouTuber?
Yep. Very famous. I have 2 subscribers. No, I need to check it. Yes, have YouTube. Yeah.
What design do you want?
Yes, same, yeah. Same.
That's the
Same brand, same everything.
that's triple X L.
Oh,
Triple.
all right. Beautiful. So we got 2 t-shirts here for 100,000. Very cheap. Right, he thinks I'm joking.
170.
So 80, 160. Yeah, very good price. You'll be able to retire on that, have a holiday with all your profit. What?
I say cheap price, so good morning, I want lucky on you.
You are lucky. I tell you what, if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, it's a win-win. It's a win-win situation, right? And I'll give you, yeah, 180. Yeah, geez, you see, I can't even pay people to watch my YouTube. So,
Coming Vietnam, they very cheap price. Very
all right,
happy.
so that's
very
a
cheap
180.
price. Yeah.
That's all right. Good for him. Good for me. Morning price. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Buy a cake first.
Oh. Here you see the coming Vietnam now. Buy
to
many low.
Vietnam, to Ho Chi Minh City, to Ben Thanh Market.
You coming like that, yeah? 541.
Yes, and you come and see
541.
541.
Who sell the t-shirt?
And it will give you a morning price and sunset
Discount.
price and lunchtime price and all that. All right.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Well, it's been a pretty hectic day. Yeah, I've been running around since like 6 o'clock this morning, walking everywhere to the markets and walking around looking for food, and just, it's been a pretty good day. The first day in Vietnam is great. It's something really different. I've never been to Ho Chi Minh City before, so it was really good. So if you like the vlog, well, you know, give it a like and a comment and subscribe and all that crap. And there'll be a lot of videos coming up. After Vietnam, we're going through to Thailand and Phuket and Bangkok and Pattaya, and going to be some good videos. So if you want, support the channel, and I hope to see you soon. I'll just put a bit of the street view of Saigon, and anyway, see you later.